We are joined now by Dr. David Allen, a past president of the Pediatric Endocrinology Society. Dr. Allen, it's great to see you.
No, thank you very much.
Let's talk a little bit first about some of the challenges facing pediatric endocrinology right now.
Well, in this world where so much is changing so rapidly with regard to both society and science, actually the biggest challenges for our specialty are actually pulling us back toward public health and global health. To mention a few of the key challenges, for instance, we must make some progress in addressing the complications of the childhood obesity epidemic that's throughout the world. Secondly, I think there's a real challenge about finding cost-effective ways of applying our science to the care of children with endocrine disorders, and particularly with diabetes. And I think thirdly, then, is the question of access to quality endocrine care for kids that live in underserved areas all around the world.
Very good. So why is it critical to engage your global colleagues in this? Because you're talking, I felt like you're talking about us here at home, but this is an issue around the world.
Well, as we mentioned, first of all, the obesity epic is a global epidemic, and issues of access and cost effectiveness are also global issues. To really make progress in these areas, it's critical that we engage with international colleagues that come from a variety of different cultural, political, economic backgrounds. In spite of our incredible ability to communicate electronically, it's really the personal interactions that we have with individuals that lead to the kinds of collaborations and networking, that really start to make some progress in these areas.
Speaking of which, there is a big international event going on. Tell me about that.
Well, you're absolutely correct. In September 14th through 17th of 2017, we're having the 10th International Meeting of Pediatric Endocrinology, which is truly a bringing together of all the foremost experts in our specialty to explore all the advances that can occur. Our theme this time is really to celebrate the global community of pediatric endocrinology with a real emphasis on the kinds of things we're just discussing, finding global answers to some of these very big questions. And I just want to urge all my colleagues, since everybody's participation is so key to building the critical mass that really leads to this kind of network and collaboration. I just want to strongly encourage all of my colleagues to picture themselves as an important part of this meeting in Washington, D.C., which is like the perfect place to have this kind of historical event given its rich tradition and culture, history, as well as scientific advancement.
What would be an outcome you'd like to see from that big event, bringing everybody together?
Well, we're changing. We're bringing a number of new initiatives into that program in terms of the scope of the invitees that are going to be there. And again, I think it'll hopefully be a transition for our specialty to really start to tackle these big problems in a global way. That would be my hope for the outcome of that meeting.
Well, I hope you get it. Thank you, Dr. Allen. It's a joy to talk to you today.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.